What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is TenorShare, and we focus on smartphone solutions. Today, still lots of people use iPhone 10, and it's the first OLED screen iPhone that Apple produced. So in this video I'll show you how to force restart your iPhone 10, how to get iPhone 10 into recovery mode, and how to get iPhone 10 into DFU mode. Now let's jump right in. On the left side of your iPhone 10, you'll see two buttons, the volume up button and the volume down button. On the right side of your iPhone, you're gonna see the side button here, which you use to invoke Siri. So how to restart your iPhone 10 if it won't respond to your commands? Here we go. There is a combination of the volume and side buttons. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and quickly press and hold the side button. Continue to hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Your iPhone 10 will force restart. If you need to restore your iPhone 10 to factory defaults, you can use recovery mode to do that. So the second part of the video will teach you how to get into recovery mode. To restore your iPhone, you need to connect to your PC or Mac by using a lightning cable, like this, and select Trust, and put your passcode if you have. It's very similar to the former steps we did, but you need to hold the side button for longer. Press volume up and release. Press volume down and release. Press and hold the side button, continue. And don't let go the side button even when you see the Apple logo. Keep holding, and eventually you will see this. Now you can release. This recovery indicator telling you to connect to computer. Let's go to the computer we connected. When you launch iTunes, you're going to see this. You can choose to update if available or just restore your iPhone. You can also use ReiBoot to enter recovery mode with one click. Just connect your iPhone and click Enter Recovery Mode on ReiBoot, and it'll put into recovery mode with seconds. Super easy, you can try it. To exit the recovery mode is also very easy. All you need to do is holding your side button until your iPhone reboots. Now let's go to the most difficult command tutorial. That is getting into DFU mode, by some reasons you need to do. Press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Press and hold side button for 10 seconds. Press and hold the volume down button. Continue to hold the side button. After 5 seconds, release your finger on side button, but continue holding the volume down button. And after 10 seconds, you can release the finger from the volume down button. Your iPhone remains black like this. This is indicative DFU mode. On iTunes, it has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. You must restore this iPhone before it can be used with iTunes. To exit the DFU mode is not so complicated like entering, but you still need to press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Press and hold the side button. Once it shows the Apple logo, you can release the side button, and now your iPhone is booting back up from iOS. Alright, thanks for watching this iPhone 10 tutorial. That's all for today's video. If it helps, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I'll be very grateful if you subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video.